You did real good. Real proud of you. Well, Brother, okay, where is he? Okay, he's going to offer it. My wife and I, we will not be back the weekend, so this is our last night here this time around. But we'll be back again. We have another 3 visits to go in the congregation. But we appreciate being here with you this week, and we look forward. You'll be looking forward to the substitute coming in for the rest of the week, covering that activity.